There are so many different types of drones used in the Ukraine war, and in this video, we're going to talk about some of the most noteworthy drones and how they're used. My name is Brett Garamella. I make videos about drones, usually about civilian drones, how to be a better drone pilot, as well as tech reviews and news. So if you enjoy it, please subscribe to my channel, and let's jump right into it. So number one, Switchblades. The United States has been sending Ukraine Switchblades, a small lightweight drone that serves as a drone and missile. Now, according to AeroVironment, the company that makes these drones, Switchblades goes virtually undetected even at close range, and the drone pilot can see and hit a target with great accuracy. These drones require little training, are launched from a tube going up to 10 kilometers, where the pilot is able to track the people or location it wants to strike and then release the missile. The second drone is the Bayraktar TB2, a Turkish military-grade UAV, which has been used in Syria and Iraq against the PKK and YPG, which are abbreviations for the Kurdistan groups fighting for freedom in that region. Now, Ukraine started buying these drones before the war and has more than 20 of them in Ukraine. On February 27th, Ukraine's Air Force confirmed 2 strikes by TB2 on Russian convoys in the Kherson and Zhytomyr regions. According to video footages of different occasions released by the armed forces, TB2 drones successfully destroyed a Russian command post, military vehicles including a tank, different types of trucks, surface-to-air missiles, multiple rocket launchers, and electronic warfare system. Now, the drone also reportedly destroyed 2 Russian fuel trains. Now, a few days ago, on March 17th, a Bayraktar TB2 was shot down over Kiev, and Russia published images of the drone wreckage. A second TB2 drone was shot down on March 29th in Ukraine East. Now, as you can see on the screen, here are some specifications of this drone. Now, last on my list is DJI drones, which have been used both by Russia and Ukraine. Obviously, there are civilian drone pilots and journalists and filmmakers in Ukraine who have been flying their DJI drones to capture footage for storytelling, informing the public, social media, and help in the war effort. Nevertheless, Ukraine's government has complained to DJI, saying that normal DJI drones like a Phantom or Mavic have been used by Russians to kill civilians, including children, saying they've been used for reconnaissance as well as having missiles and bombs attached to them. So Ukraine's Vice Prime Minister Mikhailo Fedorov recently called on DJI founder and CEO Frank Wang to end any relations and cut off all DJI products purchased and activated in Russia. He also asked the same of Google and Apple. But since we're talking about drones, let's focus on DJI. On March 16th, he said on Twitter, in 21 days of the war, Russian troops have already killed 100 Ukrainian children. They're using DJI products in order to navigate their missile. At DJI Global, are you sure you want to be a partner in these murders? Block your products that are helping Russia to kill the Ukrainians. Now, DJI responded publicly by writing, "Dear Vice Prime Minister Fedorov, all DJI products are designed for civilian use and do not meet military specifications. The visibility given by Aeroscope and future remote ID requirements is one more reason why using them for military missions is inappropriate. The DJI Aeroscope system is built into all recent DJI drones and broadcasts information about a drone in flight to Aeroscope receivers. This functionality cannot be turned off. DJI has not changed the functionality of our Aeroscope system in any way in Ukraine, and many Ukrainian Aeroscope units are still functioning. DJI's sales and service in Ukraine has been consistent and unchanged. Please understand that DJI cannot obtain user information and flight data unless the user actively submits it to us. We do not have the ability to identify and verify a user's location, and therefore we do not hold the data you have requested." And you can see the rest of the response here. Now, what do you all think? Is DJI acting in good faith? Is it a no-win situation for DJI? What course of action should they take? Whatever happens, I hope this war ends soon and peace is regained. If you found this video informative and want to learn more about drones, how to fly them to earn money or just for fun, or get the latest tech and news on drones, please subscribe to my channel and check out the links below for my recommended drones and accessories. I'm Brett Garamella. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.